Hello, welcome back a new Lightroom tutorial. In this video, how to edit Animate Effect using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. Tag photos added with my presets or your presets on my Instagram. The best preset add-ons include story promotions on Instagram and videos on YouTube. Don't forget subscribe and like. Okay, let's get started. First to basic adjustments, select light panel. Contrast to -100, highlights and shadows to +100, then whites to -90, and blacks to +90. Next select curve panel. To reduce the time, I will paste the settings here, following the steps. Done, perfect. Next select color panel. Temperature to 7, and tint to 15. Down vibrance to -7. Increase saturation to 27. Select mix adjustment, select red color, hue down to 7, and saturation to 22. At luminance -17. Select orange color, -1 to hue. Saturation to 10, luminance to 19. Select yellow, hue down to -39. And saturation to 40. Then luminance to 15. Select next color to green, hue to 13, saturation to 23. Increase luminance to 100. Go to cyan, down hue -100. Saturation to 19, and luminance to 21. Then select blue, hue down to 38. And saturation 21, luminance to 9. Then select purple, bring up hue to 100. Saturation +10. Increase luminance to 34. At last one select magenta, increase hue to 68. 22 to saturation, and luminance to 19. Done. Next step select effects panel. Texture decrease to -34. -20 to clarity. Little increase to haze to 12. Then scroll down, little bit grain amount to 8. At last step select details, increase noise reduction to 70. Finished. Let's see before and after. Before and after. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Awesome. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe and like. Please leave your comments about this video in the comment box. See you next video.